Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Moto AI Image Studio on your Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the Image Studio. You do that by going into Moto AI app, and right here you have tools for creativity. We got the Image Studio, we're going to click on it, and as you guys can see here, we can try creating an image for an Earth Day event flyer, a funky floor wallpaper for your phone, and also an image of the Grand Canyon for a travel poster. So we can click on create an image. Here you want to click continue, and of course you have some limits. Here you have the permissions, so you just click on I agree and click enable permission. Now here you select your language. We're going to be choosing English for this one. Of course you can choose your language, there's a lot to choose from, and we're going to click get started. Once we click on get started, we can create an image, create a sticker, and create an avatar. Also, we can do the sketch to image and style sync. So first, let's go over and create an image. Here we can add the description. Of course, I want to skip the tour. Here we're going to add a description. So a man in his 20s holding a sign that says subscribe in a cyberpunk 2077 world. So now 2077 world city. So that might not be the best prompt, but still now we can choose the aspect ratio. We can do the square, we can do the portrait and landscape. We're gonna do the portrait here, and here you can choose the styles. So you can do sci-fi, impressionist, minimalist. You have a lot of options. We're gonna do the realistic one, and as you guys can see, now we're clicking generate image. We're gonna click on agree here, and now it is generating. So it does not take that long. It might be up to 30 seconds or 1 minute depending on the prompt. As you guys can see, that's how it works. We can easily save it. And now if we go to photos, or we should see it. So that's how it looks like. So it pretty much looks like cyberpunk, if I'm being honest. Looks amazing, although you can smell the AI from here because of our prompt. You can do the same. For example, you can create an avatar that way. Here we're gonna go and do these stickers. So for example, a woman in mid-air. So I have 5 image credits left. That's what happens, and it basically resets daily. Now we should see our sticker where a woman is mid-air. So that's how it looks like. Pretty good. You can also save it, and here we have create an avatar. So we can pick a photo of us. As you guys can see, I have 0, so let me just take a flower, and now it's creating an avatar. As you guys can see, no face detected, but if you have a picture of you, you can create your digital avatar. Also sketch to image, which is pretty insane. As you guys can see, we can for example create a car, and of course not much of a artist, so it might not be as good, but I'm trying my best, and that's how it went. So we can click on generate. Also we can change the style, so we can do the realistic, and as you guys can see, now we're generating the sketch to image. So we should see what results we're gonna get with my bad drawing, and that's how it looks like. So it looks pretty insane to me. We also get the license plates, which is really cool. As you guys can see, the quality here might be pretty insane. We are waiting for it to refresh, but I'm not sure we're gonna get that finally. As you guys can see, we also get the license plate. The details on that thing are amazing. You can even see some stickers on the windows, and looks pretty good, I cannot lie. Here, of course, we're just gonna leave. That was our sketch. Now we're gonna exit, and also we can do the style sync, so you can pick a photo. I'm gonna choose this one, and it will basically sync our style. So that's how you guys can easily use the Image Studio, every single type of the Image Studio. That's how it looks, pretty good. I'm gonna save it. And now that's how you guys can use the Image Studio. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.